Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor Goel and today I am going to tell you about open source chatbot service called collect.chat. So the great thing about this service is that it lets you create your own chatbots for free, and you can do it very easily without the need of any coding, and it takes less than 5 minutes to create a chatbot and add it to your website or your WordPress project. So let me start. So before starting, you just need to sign up on this website called collect.chat. I will be sharing the link in the description. And as you can see, I have already created a chatbot which is working on one of the sites. So now I will create another one and embed it in a website so that it's easily available, or you can see how you can easily add it to a website, a web portfolio. So it gives you an option to install as a widget or a chatbot page. So you can create a complete page which is a chatbot, or you can just embed your chatbot. So I will be using the embed option, and we can use these templates that are already available. So I will be creating one from scratch. So I need to click on this plus button and say create. So here you can see it's giving me these options. So we can choose the avatar, which is the icon that will be visible on your website, and we can change the colors as well. So the next option that we have on the left side is the script option. Here you can make changes to your web page or the chatbot that you are creating. You can create questions and options for that chatbot. So I want to install it on a personal portfolio that I created. So I am just looking for basic information like name, email, etc. So what I will do is I will just remove the standard options that it has created. So first option would be a message. So this will be displayed on top of the icon. So I will just say want to connect and done. So this is just a message, so there are no reply options to this. Then I will ask for the name of the person. So I can just click on this edit option and ask what is your name. Okay. You can also give an option to skip a question. So I don't want the user to skip this question, so I will not be enabling this. Then you can use the emojis and all the text formatting options on the top. It's not needed here. So this is a text question. Then I want the email of the user, so I will choose the email from the menu and I want to place it below this. So by standard it says what is your email address, and it will validate if a valid email address has been entered. Now I just want to ask that why do you want to connect. So it would also be a text question. So I can just do one thing. I can duplicate this and just drag it below what is your email address, and then I can edit it and change the question. So purpose of your have any queries. Okay, so this is also a text question, and instead of thank you for completing, I would say I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I can also change this item if I want, but for this time I will just keep it here. And so now I'm happy with the questionnaire. So I will just click on publish. So it says your changes are live. Now the next point is when I want to add it into my website. So I can just, so here it's giving me an option of adding the chatbot between my website content. So I just would reconfirm everything. Okay, so I will just copy this, open my website code and paste it here. So I am pasting it inside the head option of my website. We click on save and then through GitHub I will stage my changes and then commit. Okay, so I think the changes that I've made are published. Let's see how it would look like on a website. Okay, so now you can see the chatbot is here. So if I will just shut it down, okay, so it says want to connect and ask for my name. So okay, my email address. So if I will enter text which is not email address, this will again ask me. So it's recording all these answers, and once it's done, it will just say that I will get back to you as soon as possible. And now we can see the results. So the responses that I've got. So these have gotten recorded here, and we can export it as CSV as well. So this is a very easy way to create a chatbot and add to your website. Thank you.